Hello, at this time we're going to Barako Grill, and this is located in Omalquin. So yeah.
Bebe, ako tissue, be. Isa lang, be.
Request ng mga adult. That's it, guys. Hi, Mama Sid. Hi, Ma. Happy sila.
Mas happy ako.
Medyo sabik po sila, kaya ayun, ginunan ko na ng picture kasama yung camel. Okay. Ikaw mag-ano sa vlog ko? Mag-intro na nasa She's Park na tayo. Hi guys! Here's my mom. Yeah, she's currently with me here in UAE, and yeah, first stop here in Fujairah is She's Park, and we're gonna go in. Nandito na po tayo. There you go. Okay. I think kailangan ng ticket papasok. Ayun, no?
Oh, sige na, dalawa kayo doon. Dahan-dahan. Akit kayo doon, Deb. Dali.
Sige na, doon na. Samahan mo na sila.
Yung angulo, ng camera.
One, two, three. Smile. One, two, three. Okay, one more. Oh, babe, ikaw. Okay, one, two, three. Oh.
Kasi yung binili ko kahapon, paligiran lang yun. Is that it? Babalik pa tayo. Papagaling na tayo. Tara na. Ang ganda dito. Doon pa din ang ganda. Pwede naman dito ka sila.
Ma, ngiti, ma.
Doon na lang parang i-offer.
Corfacan pa rin po. Tayong tatlo. Lapit-lapit tayo.
And exit.
Yay! Welcome to Snoopy Island! Dito na tayo!
Exit roundabout.
Tuwang-tuwa ka. Excuse nga ba? Wait lang ba yung excuse lang. Bakit?
Ba't ako sumasama?
They're currently enjoying, guys. So, konting tambay lang po muna. Just an update, guys. Yeah, so, konting tambay lang muna. And, I think after 30 minutes or so, we're gonna go and start traveling again back to Dubai. And, po si Cynthia. There, she's our youngest. She's the youngest in the family, and actually, guys, wanted to congratulate her kasi kakapasa lang niya ng board exam for teacher, and she is officially teacher now. So, yeah, may license na po. And this is part of the gift na naisip ko, yung pagpapapunta dito. Guys, nagaya na nang umuwi yung mga matatanda. So, picturean ko lang yung kapatid ko, and then I'll update you later.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Ano naman eh, sige. Baby. Okay na. Ay,